think again. Most people wait for a better salary, wait for the right time, wait for more money. But while they wait, time passes, and so do the opportunities. Here's the truth. You don't need a lot of money to start. You just need the right mindset, the right strategy, and the courage to take the first step. Because small money invested smartly can become big money. So, how do you start investing with just a little? Welcome to Finance School. Today's topic, how to start investing with little money. Let's go to our video. The biggest myth, I need more money to invest. This is the lie that holds most people back. But the truth? Investing isn't about how much you start with. It's about how early you start and how consistent you are. $10 a week can turn into thousands over time. It's not about the amount. It's about the habit. Step 1. Shift from spending to investing mindset. Before any technical step, you need a new perspective. Instead of saying, I don't have enough to invest, ask, how can I find $10 this week to invest? It could be skipping one coffee, cooking at home, canceling a subscription. Start small, build the muscle. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Look for investment apps with zero commissions and no minimum deposits. Some great options offer fractional shares, allowing you to invest in companies like Amazon or Tesla with as little as $1. Your money doesn't have to buy a full share. It just needs to start growing. Step 3. Automate it. Make it automatic. Set up auto deposits, even $5 per week. The power of automation is that it removes emotion from the process. You invest before you even think about spending. Step 4. Start with index funds or ETFs. They're low cost, diversified, and perfect for beginners. With just a few dollars, you can own a small piece of hundreds of companies. Think of it as the starter pack for new investors. The power of compound interest. Here's a secret. Money makes more money. Even small amounts, given enough time, grow like magic. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. $10 a week at 10% interest grows to over $33,000 in 20 years. It's not about being rich, it's about being consistent. Cut the excuses, build the habits. I'll start when I make more money is a dangerous mindset. Start now. Start messy. Start small. The habit is worth more than the amount. Real life example. The $5 investor, meet Maya. She started investing $5 per week at age 22. By 32, she had over $7,000 just from small weekly investments. She didn't win the lottery. She didn't get a huge raise. She just started early and stayed consistent. Bonus tip: reinvest everything. When you earn dividends or profits, don't spend it. Reinvest it. Let your money snowball. Every reinvested dollar is a worker hired to bring you more freedom. Mindset over money. You don't need to be wealthy to start, but you need to start to ever become wealthy. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time? Today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.